Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go straight to the point. This beautiful orange goodness you're seeing are a combination of different soaps I have cut into tiny pieces to be able to get the papaya soap that I want to produce. These soaps include Hawaii papaya soap, Idol papaya soap, extract soap, Ashanti soap, K Brothers soap, Larissa soap, glutathione soap, fruit soap. All of these soaps I have cut into tiny pieces contain papaya extract. They were made with papaya. I'm also going to include the Shalom oil, the 48 hours lotion tonic, the Ashanti papaya and honey oil. I'm going to leave pictures of all these things so that you understand. After cutting your products, your soaps into tiny pieces, you need to put it in a very big bowl that will be able to accommodate everything. So you will not be changing containers. I've decided to use a clean bucket. This bucket is brand new. I don't use it to bathe. It's usually used just for my products. After this, you need a white care shower gel. You need a gel to be able to mix it well. Usually some people use soap activators, but I find it very harsh on the skin. So I decided to use this shower gel. White care is very good. It's not too harsh and it blends in easily. What you need to do is to pour the shower gel into the cut pieces of soap you already have and mix them thoroughly. You want to mix it properly because you need it to blend in very well. While we watch this, don't forget to remember the benefits of papaya soup. Papaya is very good. It helps with hyperpigmentation, spots, and uneven skin tone. Papaya soup can help to smooth out your skin complexion. So as I was saying, after including the shower gel, you want to put the yellow ozone soap. I love this so much because it really helps in brightening. I don't use it because I'm a dark-skinned person, but my customers, my people that have been using my Papaya Molato soap swear by it and they keep coming back. What you need to do is to cut this thing into tiny pieces. You use the yellow ozone soap. You need the harsh white ball. Depending on the quantity of soap you want to produce, you can also use the white ozone soap. So right here, I'm cutting them into tiny pieces. It's going to take a while because it's quite a lot. After doing that, you're going to need to put this green ozone soap as well. Some people decide to put all this, cut them into pieces before putting the shower gel or the soap activator. But I decided to put the soap activator first before cutting these ones into pieces. It really doesn't matter. All you need to be sure of is that you get the right quantity and you get products that are not harmful to the skin. However you mix it at this point, doesn't really matter. One can go before the other. Another benefit of the papaya soap is that it helps with acne treatment. The exfoliating power of papaya soap also prevents dead skin cells from clogging your pores, meaning closing your pores, which can reduce acne. Rubbing papaya soap over an insect bite or wound can help relieve pain, itching, swelling, and redness. This is because it contains an ingredient known as papain. Papaya soap is a natural, gentle soap that's safe to use on different parts of the body, including the face. So you shouldn't be scared. Once you do this, it's safe to use in every part of the body. Some people have sensitive skin, so I always recommend that if you're allergic to papaya soap, or you're allergic to latex, you can stop using this. How do you know you're allergic to it? How do you know? You start having maybe eczema, psoriasis, your body starts itching you, or you start feeling weird whenever you use it, or you feel swelling or redness on your skin whenever you're using any products, not just the papaya soap. You know that you are reacting to it and it is not good for you, and so you should stop using it. As you can see, I'm still mixing this product. I'm still putting all the ozone white soap, the white balls and everything I got a lot from the market because I wanted to do a large quantity of soap. So if you want to do a little, you could just get one and maybe 2 or 3 soaps, and that is all you need. You're good to go. But for the quantity I'm doing, I need to put enough. And make sure you're wearing gloves. Please wear gloves when you're mixing products that people are going to use. You can't just use your hands. People's body react in different ways, and then we don't want to hurt or harm people's skin, because you need this soap to be popping, okay? So finally, this is what it looks like after mixing. Now I'm pouring my Ashanti oil. It contains papaya and honey. Don't forget that everything I'm putting is going to be with papaya. There are carrot soaps, there are lemon soaps, different types, but for the Molato, the papaya is very good. Okay, after putting this Ashanti oil, you need to pour your 48 hours lotion tonic. I'm using 2 bottles of each so that it will blend very well. There will be enough. And then I'm going to pour my Shalom Stretch Marks oil. This is because, like I said, people's skins react in different ways. So if they have stretch marks, or if you don't want them to have stretch marks, you have to put this in order to prevent them from reacting that way. And then I'm going to pour my kojic acid. I'm putting 2 spoons. Don't forget that when you're mixing products, you don't need a metal spoon. You use plastic spoons so that people don't react. I'm putting 2 spoons of this kojic acid powder because it is lightening. We need it to work very well to be able to change people's skin tones, to give you that glow that you need. After pouring them, you need to mix it well. Most people use mixers to mix their soap, but I prefer to use my hands because that way I can get in there, reach every corner of the container, which is the buckets that I'm using, so that everything will mix properly. These are some of the balls I forgot to put, so I'm including it in it. Papaya soap is rich in vitamin C as well as vitamin A, which is an important nutrient for the skin. It promotes the production of new skin cells and helps to reduce the dark spots, blemishes, and scars. Papaya soap is used to improve the health and appearance of the skin. It is a skin lightener. Like many people that have used this soap, I can't say it enough. Many people that have used this soap swear by it. It will lighten you and just make you look so good. And like I said, it is so safe to use. This is what it looks like right now. After putting everything, it's going to be light. It's going to look like you put water, but you shouldn't put water in your soap. Mix it properly. And after doing this, I'm going to make sure that I keep it in a very safe, quiet, dark place. This is what it looks like right now. It looks so beautiful, but we're not done. We're not finished. We still have a long way to go. We're going to keep it till tomorrow. This is what it looks like now after 24 hours being kept covered in this container. And then you're going to get the quantity you need and you start pounding. This is the last stage of the soap making process. You pound it to form a paste. You don't make it very soft or very smooth. There are going to be some particles, small particles of the papaya soap that you had cut earlier. That is all you need to do. So you get a clean mortar and pestle, pound it, then take the quantity you need and put in a very clean container. Make sure it's beautiful. You want to package it well so that you'll be able to sell well. But if you're using it for yourself, you still need to put it in a very clean, good container so that it will be safe. A container that has a cover, you cover it, put the quantity you want, and that is all. Like I said, because I'm doing a lot, I'm going to put it in a lot of containers, different containers. If you're selling this, make sure you're using your stickers, because so many people are doing this soap right now. You need yours to look beautiful. You need to package it well. You know how it is in this country. Packaging is everything. So I'm going to put it in all my containers. This is 500 ml. I'm going to have some that are 250 ml depending on how I want to sell them. And this is it, guys. This is the quantity I got from those soaps I cut. This is the quantity I got from one shower gel. It's about 12 or more. And then this is it. I'm just going to cover them, clean them up very well, arrange everywhere, put my stickers, and it is good to go. If you're wondering where you can get a papaya soap, you can get it from any shop or natural food store. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.
Welcome to the